Hello Filmora editors. Welcome to the Filmora video editing tutorial. In this session, I will demonstrate how to easily create cinematic soul effects using Filmora. So, let's dive in and get started with the tutorial. Import a video like this. Add the video to the timeline. If you can't find this particular type of image, don't worry. I've included it in the video description. Slice the video at this point. Move the second part of the video to the top layer and set the position accordingly. Go to AI Tools and enable Smart Cutout. Click on Start Smart Cutout. Select the brush tools and drag on the object you want to cut out. Using the zoom option, you can check whether all the object is covered or not. Click the Start Smart Cutout option and wait until the process is complete. After the cutout, if you play the video, it just looks like this. Select the top layer video, go to the Basic tab, and reduce the opacity of the video. That's all from the Soul Effects video tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.